Tonight I am making grilled chicken sandwiches. Welcome to Tess's kitchen. Wonder how those restaurants always get those thin chicken patties? Well, this is how they do it. I'm taking a half of skinless, boneless chicken breast and putting it inside a plastic sandwich bag. Then I'm going to take my meat tenderizer and pound it till it's about 1/4 of an inch thickness. The purpose of this is twofold. The first is to tenderize the meat, and the second is to get it to the desired thickness where it will cook evenly. When tenderizing, you're going to feel the cartilage release within the chicken breast, and you're going to tenderize each side until you get your desired thickness. You can find this recipe and more on my Facebook and Google Plus page. Remember to come give me a visit. Once that is done, I'm going to oil and season the chicken breast. And my seasonings are a teaspoon of Emeril's Original Essence, garlic powder, onion powder, half a teaspoon of Italian seasonings, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. Rub the seasonings in thoroughly, cover, and refrigerate for a good 30 minutes to an hour. Even overnight is better. In a medium-high cast iron grill pan, add enough oil to the bottom to coat. I'm using peanut oil. Place your chicken fillet skin side down. You're going to cook your fillets about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You're going to see them get a nice caramelization and grill marks. I would suggest using a pan screen. The oil in the pan is going to splatter some, so the screen is going to be a safety factor and also help with cleanup. Whoops, my bad. Should never flip towards you. Should always flip away so you don't get any oil splattered on you. That is flavor. Remove from the pan and let rest for 5 minutes. Serve on the bread or roll of your choice and use the condiments that you like. Tonight I am using some lettuce, tomato, red onion, and pickles. Out of these 2 nice fillets, I got 4 sandwiches. Now that is a sandwich. The chicken fillet is nice and moist with lots of flavor with the seasonings. I hope you make this, love it, and enjoy. Thanks for joining me here in Tess's kitchen. Remember to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. You can also find me on Google Plus and Facebook. Until next time, enjoy.